Welcome to my AI Image Magic review and bonuses. I am inside the AI Image Magic members area where I will give you a quick demo. In a nutshell, AI Image Magic does exactly what you need it to do. It transforms any photo into a professional AI video in seconds without requiring any Photoshop skills or video editing experience. It's an all-in-one tool that allows you to create stunning content effortlessly. Grab AI Image Magic and my high value bonuses from my bonus page link in the comments here on YouTube Bonus 1. Quick start guide to AI Image Magic. This guide removes the intimidation factor of using new software, ensuring you can start creating immediately and with confidence, leading to faster results. Bonus 2, Social Media Content Calendar. By streamlining your content creation process, this calendar ensures you stay consistent and relevant, enhancing the effectiveness of your newly created videos. Bonus 3, Video Editing Basics for Non-Tech Users. This bonus will help you bridge the gap between creation and final product, ensuring your videos are not only produced quickly, but also look professional. Bonus 4, AI Image Magic Community Access. This community offers encouragement and insights that can accelerate your learning curve, helping you achieve better results faster. Bonus 5, Ultimate Image and Video Prompt Page. Providing you with a wealth of ideas, this prompt page ensures you can quickly generate captivating content, leading to faster project completion. Now let me walk you through a quick demo.
Hey guys, Brett here, and I wanted to do a quick demo to show you the power of my new upcoming AI Image Magic software. But I realized instead of boring you by showing you how to use the software, a really exciting way to show you the power of it would be to show you the results of me actually using this software. So for this example, I took a quick selfie of myself using my phone and then used the tools in AI Image Magic to create a completely new image of me in a completely new setting and then turn that into a video. Best of all, this was quick and super easy. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna spend more time editing and creating this intro than I did on the demonstration of me using the software. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that demo in a second, but before I do, I wanted to ask you a question. Did I ever tell you that I was a fan of the Mortal Kombat games when I was a kid growing up? AI Image Magic is getting released to the public on March 27th, and it is by far the most powerful AI content creation tool that I've ever created. Click the link in the description to learn more. Thank you and enjoy.
Don't forget to grab AI Image Magic through the link below to access my exclusive bonuses. These bonuses are only available if you purchase through my link. Click the link below